We've come far enough. This is good enough for the waterfalls, isn't it?
Sure,
It
it's
is.
technically a waterfall.
There it is. We'll call that the falls and turn around.
We are at the Minnamurra Rainforest walk today, going for a walk.
Yes.
There are a couple of options, the Lyrebird Loop and the Waterfall walk. Part of the Lyrebird Loop is closed because they're doing maintenance.
Repairs and maintenance, yeah.
So we're going to go for the Waterfall walk instead.
Might still see some lyrebirds, we'll just have to see what shows up.
Hopefully.
Minnamurra Rainforest is located in Budderoo National Park, a little under 2 hours from the centre of Sydney. The park is open from 9 to 5 and parking costs $12 for the day. Access to the walking trails is through the visitor centre and gift shop run by the National Parks and Wildlife Service. If you didn't bring any water with you, it's probably a good idea to grab a bottle on your way through.
We've come to a fork in the road. Do we go down for the Lyrebird Loop or up for the waterfalls? Waterfall walk has a steep gradient, 3.2 kilometres return.
Well, it'll be easy coming back.
True, we just rolled down. So we've done most of the uphill section, walking down into the valley. Probably about half a k to go, but I can start to hear the waterfalls now. All the passerbys are telling us there's not far to go, not many hills to go. They didn't lie about this being a steep ascent.
First we had a steep ascent, now we have a steep descent. I'm guessing it's these stairs and path over here, heading down to a little viewing platform, I think. Looking out from one of the viewing platforms. Waterfalls back there, we'll get to that in a moment. We've just noticed how far down the valley goes. Another little fall further down. Yes!
Waterfalls over there.
There, yep.
Pretty spectacular. Worth the crazy steep walk, I reckon.
Yeah. Going to take a couple of minutes here and have a bit of a break before we head back down.
Sounds good to me.
We've just come down from the falls lookout and now we're going to go as far as we can down on the Lyrebird Loop before we get to the closed section for the repairs. Gotta admit, not what I first thought when I read streaming live. Anyway, we found a root bridge. These are always fun. You going in front?
Yep. Yeah.
Bouncy, bouncy. Well, that's as far as we can go this way. This is the section of the, was it Lyrebird track?
Yep,
Lyrebird
Lyrebird
Loop.
Loop, yep.
That was closed for repairs and maintenance. Alright. Nope, nope. Back here. I think I can see why the track is closed here. That's where the bridge should be. That's where the bridge is. It's all fallen down. We'll have to come back another time to do this loop.
Back at the visitor centre, we found a sign explaining what happened to the bridge. It was destroyed by floodwaters caused by 283 millimetres of rain in just over a day. The river rose 3 metres, destroyed this bridge and damaged the one we had crossed earlier, along with other areas of the park.
And we're back. Finally
long
finished
walk.
the loop. Yeah, it's a very long walk. 4.87 kilometres. Although we did all the extra bits, we're good.
Yeah, it feels long with the how steep it was.
Oh, yeah. They weren't lying about the steep.
Steep ascent, no.
Yeah. But it's good.
Yeah,
Yeah, really enjoyed it.
definitely.
We'll do it again at some point.
Yeah, so we can do that
The bit that's
closed.
closed. Yeah. Plan another suspension bridge.
Hey! Back here. Oh, poor Julia. Yeah, that's not getting cut. Oh, this is horrible footage because the camera's just going up and down.